Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about whether Bitcoin is dead already or not. I think it's not, and I want to talk about the long-term investing into Bitcoin and some other major coins that you believe in. Got a couple of great friends, Richard and Julie, and they asked me to talk in simple language so that they understand it. They understand my videos, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use extremely simple language. So what do we have in front of us? We've got the Binance Exchange, okay? Binance Exchange. And here we've got the time frame which says 1 month. So we're looking at the monthly candles. Each candle is 1 month, okay? So here we've got the start of the bull run scientifically marked like in the yellow thing like that. And then it goes up and now it goes down. Is it really gonna go down to zero? I don't know. Maybe Bitcoin is going to be $1 in 2 months. I don't know. What I know is that we should not care about these things. Wait, why? Because it's for traders. If you're the long-term investor, what you care about is the things that happened before here in 2018. Why doesn't Binance tell us about these things? Because Binance is for traders. Investors use Google. Just go to Google. This is the best trading platform called google.com. Look at these things. Look at these things. So at some point Bitcoin was $4 and people were like, I think it's expensive. And at some point it was at $600 and then it went to 10k and then we were all thinking about whether it's going to go to 20. It was 60 a month ago, yeah. So the point is that Bitcoin is not static, and the bull run that we're seeing right now is not the first bull run. There were many bull runs before. Bull runs. So why isn't Binance showing us this data? Because it's too little for Binance. Binance only cares about the 5k benchmark. Anything below is like, who cares? We care. Because we need to understand, like you and me, we are in the same boat. We need to understand this stuff. That these things have always been, like they have been as important to the people who were living in those times as the things that we have right now in front of us to us. That's why none of these things are important. Like none of this matters. If you bought Bitcoin at $20, like 100 Bitcoins, and you just held throughout this time, then yeah, you would be extremely rich. That's why what I say is that go to Binance, register there. It's a great platform to buy stuff. Binance International, really recommend it. Really safe place to buy stuff. And go to the daily chart, right? Go to the daily chart and now explain this to yourself. What is the difference if you bought here, here, here? You would say, well, this is a good place. This, I don't know, but then it went up. This is a bad place, and this might be good, bad. You know, my answer is like it's the same. It's the same. It's the same because you need to look at the grand picture, the big picture behind the small things. We don't care about these things like at all. We care about where the price is going. The price is going up. It has been going up since the inception of Bitcoin in like 2008 and 2010 when it got operational and people started using it. So we care about the long-term trajectory, and that's why you just buy stuff. And that's why DCA is such an important concept. I'm going to talk about this concept in the next video, so make sure you subscribe and catch that video. And that's why the cold hardware wallets like Ledger are important. Why? Because you just buy stuff on Binance, you port that stuff into the hardware wallet, and then there it sits. What if Bitcoin goes 10% below zero, 10% just below whatever, just it goes 10% down? You're like, oh my god, what should I do? And then your friends tell you there's nothing for you to do. All of your Bitcoins are in the hardware wallet and it's stored somewhere in the safe, hopefully, which is a good strategy. And this means that you're not gonna do anything, and that's why you're going to see through, you're going to weather through these things, and then Bitcoin is going to continue going up. I don't know where Bitcoin is going, probably to 1 mil, then to 10 mils. I'm not sure myself, but what I can see is that the overall trajectory is up when you look at these things long term. Now, what is the difference between traders and investors? Traders use they analyze stuff they analyze stuff, but if you're an investor, you just need to buy stuff and hold it for a very long term if you believe in it, if you believe that the stuff that you've just bought has some huge intrinsic value. That's the point. So Julie and Richard and everybody who's watching also this video, maybe like 2 people in the whole universe, you should buy and hold Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum for a very long term, like 10 years, 30 years, 200,000 years. Okay, now how do I make money? I do this stuff, I buy stuff here, I bought a little bit of Bitcoin here, and I'm still holding it like small bags. The second fund that I have is I trade 1-minute charts. Yeah, I trade them. I trade 1-minute charts, and you can make money together with me here too. And this is the advertisements. This is how I make money. Contact me in Telegram. I'm going to drop my Telegram in the description. Okay, and you can contact me there, and if you're interested, we can chat and I can explain to you how you can invest into my short-term 1-minute trading fund. All of the funds are going to be held non-custodially. This means that I'm not going to be able to run away with your funds, and this is a high risk thing, but I'm going also I'm starting to do this thing. I've been testing it and I'm training a little bit. I make approximately 5-6% per week, and the risk profile is approximately 1%, and this is completely opposite to the long-term holding. I actually look at this stuff, like I look at this stuff, and this stuff happened approximately like 3 hours ago, and I know what I think about it. Like, this is not just some crap, this is my life. I understand like what this means, like really, and that's why I'm able to make approximately 5% per week. I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to do this for the long term, but if you're interested, make sure that you contact me in Telegram, and you can invest like $50 and we can test it out. I've got 2 other investors who I'm talking to, and I might onboard them in the future. One of them is a big trader himself. So that's the point. If you want to hold long term, buy Bitcoin. Doesn't matter whether you buy here or tomorrow. Just buy stuff and use DCA, which is going to talk about the DCA in the next video. And if you want to make money on the short-term trading side of these things, find a good fund. I'm a good fund, so find me, contact me in Telegram, and I can take your money. And not gonna run away with that money, but you're going to port that money into the fund, and I'm going to trade on that money. And I trade on my money, so I'm not going to trade on your money. It's called copy trading. Yeah, you're just going to copy my trades. Okay, so thank you very much for listening and watching, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to continue pushing out lots of materials every day about Bitcoin, and honestly, we are on the verge of going into the bear market. I don't give a rat's ass. I like crypto, I like trading, and I'm going to stick for the long term here.